All right. Let's see here. What is up? Um, all right, we're gonna be going over just looking for trades today. Yesterday in the Globex session, I did reach my profit target, so currently I am not trading anything. So I figured I'd come on here in the practice account and kind of show you how I kind of go through everything. Um, yep. Give me 1 second here. I'm gonna set up a couple things on my end and see if I can get some things going here in this audio mixer while I wait. I do notice we are kind of consolidating big wicks here, big movement. We are kind of like in this bubble right here. And it looks like try to break out a little bit to here 18,530 and didn't make it through. Looks like what they had the same thing here. Price moved up, so we'll just keep an eye on that for right now while I try and get this going. Boom, boom. This is not very intuitive here. Hmm. Interesting. All right, looks like we're breaking down. Don't want to take this short yet. So what I always look for is, I said 530s here. We need to see a break of this 530s and see if they'll accept that price and move into these orders here. The orders are kind of just sitting there right now. If we do get a break and we could break through this consolidation zone that was here, then I think we could look at taking a short. If not, this is more in line for like maybe a 20-point move back up to the top. Like maybe we see if we get a rejection here. And we could just play this real short to here. If we don't get it, it's fine. We're just testing it out. So this does look like this is a solid move, like we're breaking through. If we get a pop back up, I'm going to go in short. I haven't seen it yet. I'm going to go ahead and take a short here. Um, next, I'm gonna look if we break through this zone here. We'll take another short there, and then we'll play this basically to the bottom here. Looks like around this area, 76. Something like that, and then we would maybe move my stop right there. So this is what I'd kind of look for in this trade here. Like I said, we broke the 30s. We're staying below it for the time being, and then yeah, I'll take a fill here. And then try and get down to our profit. Still seeing if I could get this going. All right, got tagged in for that next one. Now let's see if we get a break. $150K account. Leave my stop here. We'll trail the stop as this if this goes into profit, and we'll probably cut it short if I see it's not working my way. But we did get a rejection here. Basically at the 500s. So we'll see if we can get below 500. Alright, this is looking good so far. Let's see if we get that push. It's on a 2-lot. I'm gonna go ahead and peel one off right there. Just the way this is kind of moving. See if we get the rest of it. Just gonna close that off there. All right, so it doesn't look like we're getting that push yet down this way. We're seeing a lot of resistance kind of come in here of not getting down to this area. We might see a nice little bounce here. We might be able to buy 2 contracts here, peel one back off to the top here. We'll see what happens. I was working on trying to get some music going. I think I kind of got it a little bit figured out, but I don't know. Hey, what is this doing? Kind of just chilling right here. Kind of just chilling right here. Kind of just chilling. All right. I can't figure out my audio situation here. There we go. All right, what do we got here? Let's see. Let's see what's good. How do I add an audio channel to this? All right. Alright, sorry if that blew out anybody's eardrums there, but yeah, so the audio is not, my slider that I have here did not change out what the output was. Wish I knew that prior to that. There's probably another way to do it, but I messed that part up. Alright, coming back down here. Let's see if we get tagged in here and we get to move back up to the top. I am worried about, see these wicks that kind of came down here. We had this little area here in the 460s. 460s. Probably a better entry, to be honest, if we break through here. Because then I could have my stop around the 420s. What do I have this fib in here for? That was from looking at something earlier. I need to find like a playlist. It's nice having music going now. What's this playlist here? Let's just listen to this one. Let's see what we got. Man, we can't really get it out of this price area here. Looks like, what's the volume right now? Let everybody go home for the weekend. It is teetered off pretty low. Alright. Can we take this off, or what do we do? I mean, like I said, I'd like to see price actually. A better entry to be down here at like the 60s. Actually, no. 53. So what I'm really looking for is this like line in the sand here of like these bodies, without getting into too much detail, is just where price kind of came to a halt, went in another direction, things like that, like in this area, the 50s. Looked like, you know, price wasn't really accepted in that area too well, and kind of moved up from there, or moved down from there, depending on which way you look at it. But that's just like kind of a line in the sand spot, so that's a good area sometimes to take a reversal. Like you just think support and resistance, or whatever you call it, supply and demand. That's like just like a good zone for me to maybe look for longs for it to bounce back up. I could put my stop somewhere down here. See if it goes lower for the day. Right now we're having a hard time breaking down, so that's what I'm saying. If we do get down in this spot, I do see it moving back up, even though today is pretty much been a downward day. Unemployment rate. Let's see. So this is kind of like a consolidation area, I guess you could consider this consolidation, but I don't know. Now we gotta go for a break of this area if it were to do anything. That's what I was saying. If it does break, maybe we do get down somewhere here, something like that, roughly. And I'm looking for something to hit here, and then maybe we just move back up into this area, and we just finish the day consolidating up in that area, stop somewhere around here. Got a little extra room with $300 cushion. Yeah. But that is the plan. Will we get it? Not sure. You know, the fun thing about trading, you just sit here and wait. Like I was saying yesterday, it's the boring part about trading. I mean, we could do like scalps. I mean, this is a practice account. Why don't we try stuff? Let's do this. If it gets to the top of the zone, how do you change this thing? I never use this. Reverse position. If it gets here, let's say we take a short. If we move up a little bit, let's pop into another short. And then when we get to the bottom, we'll reverse the position. Yeah, let's put this up here. Let's see if this works. No, it's not gonna break down or what? Okay, I wanted to try something, now it's not gonna break down. That's so funny. Let's see if we get this. What I was thinking is we go down here, then we reverse the position, then we try and move back up. I don't know. So what's nice about practice accounts, you can play fun little games. So should I reverse the position here and go back down? Let's see. Let's see if this one works. So we were trying to get it to move down. Now it was breaking out from us. Now we're trying to get it to move up. And then when we get up here, should we reverse the position back down? We need to get to like this zone here maybe. I don't think we'll, maybe we could get up that high, but let's see how far this could get, and then we'll try and reverse the position. Come on. Ah. It's so funny. Okay, let's see if it uses this as a little bounce area here. Okay, come on. Let's push up. It's getting sucked. This is what I'm saying. Like, see this area here? This is like a little zone. This is a zone where it just is rejecting the price. This is a fun little game, though. Can't wait till they have hotkeys for Top Step X. All right, next push up, I'm gonna go ahead and reverse the position if we get a little bump here. No, come on. I needed that little spike. All right, let's reverse here and see if we get it going down. Down like a G now. Come on. All right, we're gonna reverse there. Reverse there. Reverse there. Come back down now. I need more room on this so I don't have to adjust this. Oh, this is bad. This is not looking good. Missed time to reverse. Okay, if this comes to break even, we reverse, I think. Okay. Oh wait, I gotta move this. This looks like it wants to go down. Let's reverse. Okay, I think we need to hold this one. This one might break lower here. We're back over a grand again. This is a terrible idea. That's why I had this button disabled. Clearly, I don't know how to use it. Okay. We're going long. Long and strong. Coming all the way back up here. It's so funny. Okay, we got that one. So now, let's see if it breaks higher. How do we do this? I feel like I'd much rather just click into these, like scaling in and out of them. I don't even use that other, what is this? There's other tools to use. I just do everything so, like, simplistic. Orders? No. What is it? Order. Yeah. So I don't even use this thing here. You can, go to MQ, practice. And I know you could do market orders. You could do like a trailing stop. Stop market order, stop price. Yeah, I don't need to use that. So let's do the same thing we would do is if we were looking at, say this is gonna break this, we're looking to break this price structure here. If this breaks this price structure, actually here. So, back to not playing around. Things that when I look for these things, when you get like more cushion of your account, that you have more risk that you could expose yourself to on the market, the reason I usually only play 1 or 2 contracts on a 50K account is because I don't have, you know, much risk. You're going through a combine, you only have $2,000 of down draw that you could go through, and then you blow your account. But if you have more, same concepts here, looking for this structure to break. If it does break, the same way we go into one contract, because we only have so much risk we can do, or even like a micro. The other days where, you know, I took those $600 losses, I should have went down to micros, maybe did half one mini, which would have been 5 of the micros, and I would have been able to have a wider stop. Having that wider stop allows that trade to play out more and then go in your direction. Here, if I'm looking for this break of, you know, these 20s, and for it to continue down, having more risk, you could put on, you know, give yourself more exposure to the market and make more money. As you can see here, we're in 3 lots. Obviously, you're making a lot more money than you would the 1 lot. But everything stays the same. Your strategy stays the same. The whole thought process of what you're looking for stays the same. I was looking for a break of that price, and I'm looking for it to continue to go down and probably actually test this area here. I should probably move this down to the you know, a break of 500 is what I should have been looking for. But we just tapped into that. That's kind of what I was saying. I think it's trying to look for a break of 500. And that's a good place to, you know, maybe we know 500's like always these whole round numbers are like key psychological areas for price. And yeah, that's probably a good place to take along. Scalping right now is super good. I wouldn't say I initially I say scalp, but I wouldn't really say it's like scalping in the market. I mean, a move like that, I'm waiting for it to hit a take profit. I will move a take profit into a certain area where I think I see price, and I'll let it move. And yeah, I mean, but that's what I'm saying. Like, it's the same concept that applies. We have primarily what hits me on the daily loss limit here, like four grand, or 3 grand or something. Same concept as if I would take a 5 lot, risking 5 to break this 500 area. I'm still thinking right here would be the area that it might bounce back. Take a 5 lot. We get tapped in. We'll see if we get a pullback, and we'll look for, honestly, I mean, I wouldn't look for a big pullback, probably around this zone, because you can see it's coming up. It's kind of getting stopped around that zone there with this current candle. It's not getting above the 510s, 509. So if we do get put in, I might just move my take profit to there. And yeah, that's all I'd be looking for. So we're not even getting past this area, these 500s. I'm just looking to get tagged in on a wick. This was a PA account. It would be much harder to get in. Much harder to get in on any of this right now. But yeah, we just saw a practice account today because, like I said, I'm gonna hit that I forgot for my YouTube combine that I was doing. 1500 is that profit. Can't go past that. So all right, wick me in here. Oh shoot, we gotta move this. And then I said I wouldn't look past that here. So that's what I'd be looking for here. Just for it to retest this area here. So we're looking for the retest of that. And almost got it. There we go. So, yeah, that's kind of, like I said, that's the target I was looking to get wicked in there. We could not move past that. They tested again. I saw we tested these levels here prior. 10. So yeah, and it's just consolidating here. Definitely have to make a comeback for my my reversal non-strategy. That did not work. Actually, I need to take that off. I'm gonna accidentally hit that. I'm gonna accidentally hit that and it's not gonna be good. So you might think like, oh, why aren't you just playing shorts from here or longs from here, kind of like I just did. I feel like once I commit to a trade and I get that trade, it's hard for me just to keep repeating it. I give myself a little break. If anything, I would look for a break of structure now. Instead of trying to stay in, say in the range, now I'm looking for a break. I mean, we printed on this 500 tick, I don't even know how many candles in this range. Like at least I see 5, 6, something like that. This range is basically dumped down to here, and I'd say here. Okay. I mean, the wicks in this thing are crazy. So now I'd be looking either at breaking out the top here. Actually, if you look here, these can a little consolidation here. Safe to say, don't take a long unless it breaks out of there. Same here. Don't take a short unless we break roughly this. This is what I'd look for now. And we could use the same strategy here. I mean, like, we're on, like I said, a bigger account. And you don't always, like, I don't know. I always think that regardless, go in with a 1 lot as like your little scout guy, see where price action's moving, because if it does give a big like fake out and return on you, like at least you're only in a 1 lot, you're not going to be giving back that much profits. And then just scale in. So since we're coming to the bottom here, our low here was 18,385. Looks like we kind of played around. We played around in both these zones here on this 5 minute, like from this morning and to now. We're like in here. Anything, I don't really see price moving down here right now. Like maybe to test this area, like these 450s, but then I feel like it's just gonna settle in this zone until next week. Like I said, it's Friday. It's Friday. We secured profits last night. You know, which is nice because this looks like people got chopped up today. So being able to get my max profit for the YouTube combine last night, it's nice. I mean, we went over profit. We have to lose some just for that. What do they call it? Consistency rule. Okay, so we're pushing below, and like always, we wait. We wait for the pullback. We wait to see what it's doing. You know, they're testing it as well. What do we have here? 18,475. I mean, let's do like 7. See if it breaks below 70s. It might pop up at 70s. Let's see if they go hold the 70s. If they go hold the 70s, we'll go a little short. We'll feel it out with a 1 lot market buy short. But we'll see if we can break that first. If not, it's just coming back up in here. So, and if it keeps testing it, maybe we go long, you know? Maybe that's the bottom for now. We wait and see. We'll see if this is the bottom. All the fun things about trading, huh? Dude, these jams, man. Tropical bangers. That's what this playlist is called. What's this one? A little change up. Do the 70s hold? Can we get below? Doesn't look like it. Let's just take a... We're just gonna take a feeler here. This continues to go down, then we'll switch into a short. But I mean, like, this could just be a little scalp for us, since we're on that one lot. I just don't see it really pushing down yet, so part of me thinks it might just stay in this zone and consolidate. Alright, these are holding. We'll go in short. Move that up to there. Let's see if how far we get this to run. What's our exit strategy here? Yeah, probably just stay here. This was really wicky around here, but we had some we had a wick here, kind of this area. We'll see if we get wicked into in at this here. We'll see. And then 810, actually 810 seems a little tight too. We should probably be up above this wick. Say something like that. And like always, I mean, we don't hold to this, but just in case we come up and say it was at 810s and then it wicks us out and then it reverses or something, we just kind of want to see what's up. We could always get out of it early. And we are on a bit of a downtrend for the afternoon here. just gonna retest there, if anything. It's funny how this goes in this channel in here. I don't know why this doesn't represent what it's representing here. I guess because it's 50 tick. Kind of a long hold. The longer you hold, the more you expose yourself to the market. So if the trade doesn't go your way yet, sometimes it's not good. Sometimes you should just get out and re-enter. But we'll see. We'll see if we get one more push down here, since we are still in this downward trend. That's what I was saying, like, probably this is like the most of the profit I could see right now, unless we get like a huge just sell side come in, but yeah, I don't know if we're gonna see it get all the way down to the bottom again today. You can see, I mean, this is the bottom. Look at where I have my take profit. So I had my take profit. We had a pretty big lot there that the whatever they're trying to push it down to that area. Didn't make its way down there. It's kind of pushing up, and you can see 495 is kind of where it's all at right now. So pretty close to where I thought. Not far. But yeah, we'll see if that was some covers that made it go up, because people want to just get out of this also. You know, I mean, there's other people that is just not going their way, so they're just getting out of it, same as I'm thinking, and just want to find a better position. Maybe they just re-entered up here and they're trying to get that move back down, maybe just to there, get some quick scalps before the weekend. Like I said, the 450s, like maybe I should just be there and see if we get this push back down. There is orders trading down here, so yeah, smart move would probably be just, you know, see if we get a push down, get out of it, maybe re-enter up here. I don't know. We'll see if we get one more leg down. This consolidates out a little bit on the 500 tick and moves down. On the 5 minute, we are still in a downward trend here. So just looking for one more leg, one more. So this next candle is about to print, and we'll see what happens here. So here's the print of the next 5 minute candle, and we'll see if this has any movement back down. That was it. That was it. That was the try hard right there. That guy said, and nothing happened. So now we're probably gonna bust off over this and move to the top. It's my guess. No, sellers can't. Here comes the try hard again, huh? Is he gonna try and move it back down? See if he goes yeet and then gets thrown back up. Let's see. Oh, he's pushing it through. They did it. We did it, Peter. We did it. Oh, to the wick. To the wick right there. There we go. Alright, well. We'll see. Like what was I showing earlier? We got that, and then I see it moving back up. I don't see it going any lower. If anything, get back into this, catch a little back up to the top here. There we go. Quick little, that's a little scalp there. Yeah, I don't know. We can call it here. This is a practice account. I just wanted to come on and kind of show you my thought process of how I go through my orders. Definitely don't do the reversal thing unless you know how to do it. I just proved to myself that yeah, it's a bad idea. Don't try that. Like I said, I'm glad I did not trade today. I feel like I would have tried to get into some of this big move here and these big wicks and just been ripped to shreds today. I would have been annihilated, I feel like. I mean, just yeah, I don't know. This is just crazy. I don't know. Glad I stayed out of it. I don't do good on these trending days. Apparently, that's kind of what we kind of keep popping into these trends, and I do not do good on them. You've seen that on my other videos. And yeah, I stick better to finding these little areas of just how the order flow move through certain parts of consolidation and looking for breakouts and just watch the order flow and trade that way. Stay out of the big movement days. I do think I need to try that on these trending type of downward play days. Just move to micros, get in, like I see a downward trend, maybe just get in one micro and just let it play out. I don't know, maybe get 500 bucks off it or something. Maybe scale into micros, get it with one, have them scout out, and then move in and move out. Kind of like I do when I see like little moves like this, but just do it on like a bigger move. Not this move, but I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying. Little moves. But yeah, alright, thanks for watching this live stream. If you catch it later or whatnot, like, follow, subscribe, do those things. Give me some comments. Thanks. I'll see you guys later. Have a good